Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Giant Fathom versus Talon. The Giant Fathom is built for more challenging single track, offering a more aggressive ride. In contrast, the Giant Talon serves as an excellent entry-level option, perfect for recreational and lighter trail adventures. Both models utilize Giant's Alux aluminum frames, but the Fathom often steps up to the lighter Alux SL grade for enhanced performance. When it comes to geometry, the Fathom is designed for aggressive trails with a slacker 66-degree head angle, boosting confidence on descents. The Talon, however, features a steeper head tube, around 67.5 to 68.5 degrees, providing a more upright and stable position for cross-country. Suspension-wise, the Fathom typically boasts 130 millimeters of travel, while the Talon offers 80 to 100 millimeters. Regarding components, the Fathom often includes a dropper seat post and wider rims, which are crucial for aggressive trail control. The Talon usually features a reliable 1x drivetrain, hydraulic disc brakes, and tubeless-ready wheels, offering great value. For front suspension, the Fathom frequently sports a Giant Crest 34 fork, while the Talon typically comes equipped with forks such as SR Suntour or Rock Shox Judy. Ultimately, the Fathom is best suited for experienced riders who crave technical single-track and aggressive trails. Its design and components support a more demanding riding style. The Talon, on the other hand, is an outstanding entry-level mountain bike, perfect for those new to the sport or exploring cross-country and lighter trails. It offers exceptional value, with new models typically ranging from $500 to $1,000.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.